Is it a good idea to keep showing your home after you have an accepted offer? Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. You know what it's like? Your home's been on the market 2 months, 3 months, and you finally have an accepted offer and you're thinking, whew, finally I can just relax in my house. I don't want any more showings. Now, you could do that. The alternative is nobody knows for sure, 100% sure about that first buyer. A lot of people talk about financing and they're approved, again, until the bank signs off on it. You don't know that for sure. They haven't done the home inspection yet. They have other conditions. Maybe they have a house to sell. Who knows? And so having other people come in your house, of course, you're going to let them know we have an accepted offer, but you could get a backup offer. Just let people know you're still encouraging more showings. Have a look around and don't just rely on that one offer that you have, because in this environment, who knows with rates, and sometimes buyers overestimate. It's no fault of anyone's. They just make a mistake and the deal collapses and now you're back on the market again. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Or if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.